So in this video, we will be covering the ChainLink smart contract code. So first, what I want to cover is a little bit about what is ChainLink. So the ChainLink network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. Be able to connect to any external API and to be able to send payments anywhere. So this is the Solidity code, which is the programming language used for smart contracts. So it's using version 0.4.16 of Solidity. Usually at the top of smart contract codes, it's a lot of basic like libraries and ERC20 code. So like, for example, this is safe math. It's just, it has a couple checks like making sure you don't divide by 0 and making sure that the math works out with asserts. Here's an ERC20 basic. This is just defining functions like balance of to check the balance of an address transfer. And this is implementing the ERC20 basic interface. Anyway, so let's get down to the meat of it. So these are all the standard ERC20 functions: transfer from, approve, allowance, all that kind of stuff. And here's the first part of what makes ChainLink unique. They are using the ERC 677 standard. And basically it's a standard that allows you to transfer data here. And that's kind of where the magic of ChainLink works. The data can be used on different blockchain networks. So that is a pretty cool thing. And here's the link token itself. It's officially called contract of link token. And so this implements that ERC 677 token standard. The total supply, the name, the symbol, LINK. And here's the transfer and call. So this is just that same function where you could send the bytes of data, which allows for data, but also contracts to be sent between networks, which is pretty interesting as well. Here's a standard transfer function. It does validate a recipient here, which I thought was kind of interesting. That is something a little bit different there. And then transfer from, so valid recipient. So yeah, let's take a look at this. So this is something that I don't see in every smart contract. So they're just checking to make sure it's a valid address, basically, that it's not like a 0 address and that it's not this contract. As you start to look at different Solidity smart contracts, you'll find that a lot of them, it's like, 100 lines. This is like a couple hundred lines of code, but the first half of it, it's mainly ERC20 basic stuff. And then it's like the last 100 or a couple hundred lines of code is where the actual unique part of each token is. So it's actually kind of interesting when you look at it like this. It's like, wow, is it that easy? But this took a lot of work, a lot of testing, a lot of man hours went into making something. It looks simple in the final version, but it takes a lot to get it to look easy, I guess is the right way to say it. But so there is real work that goes into it, even if it's only like a couple hundred lines of code. There's a lot that goes into just making it work and testing it and building these different functionalities. So anyways, if you like this video, I will link to the smart contract code so you can check it out yourself on Etherscan. And also I'll link to ChainLink's website. And if you want more smart contract videos, I'd love to cover them, because for myself, I was just looking at this myself and I thought it was kind of interesting just to see the meat of how ChainLink actually worked. Like, I plan on doing more videos on this. Like, let me know what you guys want me to make, videos covering the smart contracts. And yeah, anyways, if you like this video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more crypto videos. Bye.